This toolbox from Sundpey has everything you need for any DIY project in your house. It has 257 pieces, from the smallest precision screwdriver to a full-size hammer. So let me bring the camera up close to show you everything it has. The first thing I want to show you are the clasps of this toolbox. They are sturdy and they snap in place very easily. So just like this, and listen how they snap in place. And the toolbox itself is made of hard plastic. So let's open it and I'm gonna show you what it has. And by the way, everything is well put in the toolbox, so it will not fall. It is a snug fit. Now let me tell you what it has, and I'm gonna start from this side. It has 8 X wrenches, and it has 6 wrenches that have 2 sides, from size 15 to size 8. This is a tape measure that goes up to 3 meters. Of course, it has here the self-holding mechanism also. And here you have a leveler. And they are really like very tidy in the box. And you have a flathead screwdriver, a screwdriver that can hold other heads, all of these here. So you have 4 types of heads, from the flat screwdriver head to the Phillips head, to the 5 sides, and to the cross also. And you have also the Phillips head screwdriver that is here. Now the screwdrivers are magnetized. Let me give you a demonstration. So this is a screw here, and this is a flathead screwdriver. So see how it picks it up. But unfortunately, the Phillips head screwdriver is not magnetized. But this is not a big deal. You have also an X-Acto knife, and you have some X-Acto blades, so you can change them for the knife. And also you have electrical tape and 2 small plastic clips in case you need them. And you have this saw, and see how the saw blade, it is like turned inside, because to protect your fingers. To put it outside and to be able to use it, you need to unscrew it here, push it in like this, and here just turn it like that, and then tighten it again. Now on this side, you have some screws, some plugs for any woodwork, and this is a box that has a precision screwdriver with all the heads that you might need. This is also a crescent wrench. It looks good. And these are some scissors, pliers, and you have here a ratchet wrench, and it works very good. Of course, it has 2 sides. You can adjust it like this here. And this is a full-size hammer, and it has here also a rip claw in case you want to remove nails. And these are sockets that you can use on anything you want. So using the ratchet wrench and an extension here for the ratchet wrench, and these are also some heads for the ratchet wrench. Let me show you this spark plug socket, how you can put it in the ratchet wrench. So you put it like this, and here it went in, and you have other extensions here. So overall, I find that this toolbox has everything, and it is very good value. What I have liked it to be better is that if the Phillips head screwdriver was magnetized, and if the fit of the tools in the box wasn't this snug. Nevertheless, these are very small annoyances, and it will not prevent me from recommending this toolbox. If you want to check it out, I'm going to leave an Amazon affiliate link in the description. If you make a purchase using my link, I'll gain a small percentage at no cost to you, and this will support my channel. And if you liked my video, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. I want to thank you all for watching. I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House. See you on the next video.